What's up, guys?
So for today we're gonna make tie-dye.
So
So
these are the dyes, and this is the t-shirt.
that's already been tied.
Yeah. Okay, so what we do here, what you do is you soak these parts, the one that not tied, this one, you soak it to a color. Here, maybe the black one first. There. Then just soak it like that first. Okay, hold this one. There. Put it down, put it down. Oh, it's going down. Okay, maybe in the next one. Next tide.
Wait.
And different color also. Okay, so the yellow too. Okay, there you go. Oh, it's very yellow. Okay, and also the red. Wait. Yeah.
Is that okay now?
Not yet. Okay, can you pull it up? Okay, wait for it. Wow. Okay, the other ones also. Another yellow.
Wait, when did you get the water?
Yeah, it's heating.
It's done now. Hmm.
Hmm.
What are we gonna do with the remaining dye?
Nothing. You throw it away. No more?
There's still one, there's still one.
Hmm. See? Alright, so there you go. We're done with dyeing. So all we need to do is to hang it first to dry. There. So we'll have it hang there first and let it dry.
So here guys is the shirt that
Move back here.
tie-dyed.
Or remove the
Wait, let's go to the
here. Mia here.
Ayun.
Mia not there.
Wow!
Go remove.
So this is
Hurry, it's 10%. The battery.
so ayun. So this is the shirt. And this is the back of the shirt.
Oh. Okay. Okay, so what will you say?
Wait, I'll try to... Hold on.
Wait, Mia, wait. Wait, Mia, wait. Wait, wait. What? Yeah.
So ayun. So that's it for today, guys. Don't make sure to like make sure to like, subscribe, and don't skip ads. And also in this video I'll announce to please follow my TikTok account, which is entitled Xenn 1256. So that's it for today, guys. Bye.